does manage to break above that 703 in a clear fashion, then would buy around that area, 703, stop loss underneath this pivot, 690. There's 707 there. The tiniest position in the world.
It's just tiny and fits right in. Fits right in.
Just trying something out right here. Large seller 710. Looking to squeeze out that 710 seller. Another at 715. Just having trouble with it. So as of the moment, it needs to not only hold at 705, but also break above this, the top of this candle, which is 714. There's 710 again. Large ask at 715. There's 715. Time in sales. Back down towards 711. So clear rejection there at 715. I keep stabbing at it. There's 716. I saw 717. There's that break of 715. I'd like to see if it continues to squeeze upwards for that reverse trade. It has to hold at 715 now. That it broke above it, has to hold it as support. There's some more squeezing there. There's 735 resistance as well. Might come back to retest 715. There's 735. Now it's gonna try to test 735 as a resistance. Look at the time in sales, 735. Is it going to break 735? It's getting rejected at 735. It's going to try to stab at it. There's 737, but right away there's another rejection at 737. Bundle of sellers there around 740. There's 738. 735 again. It's trying to break through. It's like hitting it with an ice pick. If the buyers get tired and it doesn't break out soon enough, they might give up and give it up to the sellers to 739. So we broke above 735, but barely. We want to see it move up higher. There's 740. So holding that area, 735, we'll see. It's an increase in buying pressure there. There's also selling pressure there around the 740s, 735. It is so far holding 735. It breaks below it only briefly. Want to see it just keep holding that level. 9,000 share buyer at 735. Feel like it's gonna squeeze soon. If it breaks above that high, there it is. There's 750s, large buyers there as well, but also sellers. 750, $half mark, and there's more of a squeeze, and that's it. That was a pretty cool trade too. Alright, I might have to splice a video since sometimes they take a while. This one in particular took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. I mean, it's all live. Quick recap. We discovered APEN through the scanners. It was it just popped out of nowhere. It's a NASDAQ stock, low float. It's a float of 18.61 million, volume 29.05 million, average volume 221.21 thousand. Therefore, it's trading with enormous relative volume. Spreads around 3 cents. And the pattern, notice it was flat most of the morning. Then I don't know where it just surged up like crazy, and sold off after high of day of 791 towards VWAP. It respected VWAP just perfectly right there, so we recognize that, and therefore we noticed that the bounce, if it managed to break above 703, which was once a support it broke under, we would possibly have a reversal of this nature. And so once we broke above 703, once again, our stop loss underneath the low there of 690, we went ahead and added on the pullback, filled, struggled a little bit around that range between 714 and 703, but eventually enough buying pressure came in, and then we had another battle here at 735 resistance. About a minute of just battling there, and then boom, once it broke that resistance, it surged up here. We took profit at right below this 770 mark resistance, and now it's kind of, I don't know what it wants to do, honestly. A lot of focus involved. Perhaps if it breaks above this level, it'll squeeze up even higher. But calling it a day now. Thanks folks for watching. Be safe out there.